Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here with another great recipe for you guys. I just want to show you guys what I'm making today. Today I'm going to be making a wonderful corn salad, guys. I got some nice fresh corn from the farm that I'm going to use to make the salad today with avocado and tomatoes. And I'm also doing the grilled chicken breast. That's going to be my protein going with it. My chicken breasts are right here. I cut them in half. That's about 5 pieces I got right there. I got half of a red onion, half a lemon. I got 4 bunches of green onion cut up, and I got some parsley right here. That should work out to about a quarter cup chopped up. And I got a tablespoon of paprika here, tablespoon of chicken spice, and a tablespoon of onion powder. And I also got a teaspoon of black pepper right here, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. All right, so this is what I'm using today. And I also have a tablespoon of Cajun spice right there. So that's my Cajun spice. And we're just gonna get this in a blender, or whatever you have you can use to blend it. This is what I'm using. So I'm just gonna get all these spices dumped in there, some olive oil, and we're gonna blend it out. So just squeeze all the lemon juice in there. Then we're gonna add all the spices. Just dump about 1/3 of a cup olive oil right in here. Beautiful. I'm gonna put the lid on this. So we're just gonna get all this beautiful marinade in this chicken right here. I also have 3 cloves of garlic in here. I didn't show you guys that. Alright, so we're just gonna get this all mixed. You can let this sit in your fridge for an hour or overnight if you like. Wow, that smells so good. So right now we're gonna start the corn salad, but I gotta get these corn on the grill. See the beautiful, nice big ones I got. Got cucumber, I got avocado, and red onion. Got a lime right here, and I got a little bit of cilantro, green onions that's going inside, and olive oil, and some red wine vinegar. We're gonna mix this, and I also have feta cheese. All right, so we're gonna get all the stuff cut up right here. The cucumbers. So right now we're gonna get down this beautiful chicken. grill is nice and hot right now. Smells so good. This aroma from this. Just gonna flip these over. Nice little marks. And you can tell when your chicken is ready to flip. See, the outside is getting nice and white right here. On the outside of the chicken, that's the time you flip the chicken over. So we're just gonna get the corn on one side of the chicken here. So what I did, I soaked them in a bit of water so they will steam nicely on the grill. Get a nice grill marks on it. The flavor will be there, guys. Take a look at those beautiful grilled chicken, guys. They're nice and moist, juicy on the inside. That's what we're talking about. Wow. The corn came out beautiful. Just ate them off the grill. And I got the cucumbers and the onions cut up right here. My avocado I'm gonna get going right now. I got some tomatoes from my backyard here, right out the garden. Guys, these are beautiful from the garden. Your beefsteak. I'm just gonna get these cut up and get the feta cheese inside and show you guys what's going on. So I just wanted to show you guys the size. About a 1-inch cube for the avocado. You gotta be careful taking out your avocado seed. Don't want to get cut. So I'll just show you guys that again. Just cut into it and make a twist. Should come out easily. So just cut them in nice cubes. So it's really easy to get your corn off the cob. Make sure the bottom is sitting flat. You just cut right around. Corn off the cob. Okay, I'm gonna cut up some feta cheese. Just cut them in cubes. So go inside. Guys, this is my Tex-Mex corn salad. Wash this lime. Dry and cut. So guys, right here I got a teaspoon of Cajun spice and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. It's gonna shake right inside. I'm gonna put some fresh lime juice in there. And I also have some cilantro. I chopped some cilantro, put inside as well. It's about 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. And guys, this is two medium cucumber, the English cucumber I use. And I cut up 3 corn. These were really huge. So that's what I got inside, and 2 avocado and 2 large tomato. Pour a 1/4 cup of olive oil. The tomatoes are really nice and juicy. And you can, you gotta watch the salt because the feta cheese is salty, so you can add salt to your taste. And this is the white balsamic vinegar. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of the balsamic inside. Right. So we're just gonna mix this. Wow, smells so good, guys. The cilantro, onions, the corn, everything is popping, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful salad. Just gonna dip right inside with a spoon. Try to get a little bit of everything, just to see how it turns out. Wow. Lots of love in it, guys. Wow. Nice smokiness from the corn. Absolutely amazing. It's delicious. Wow. This is gonna go beautiful with our chicken, grilled chicken tonight. Really nice. All right, we're just gonna get some plates and we're gonna start plating. So guys, just check out how beautiful this look. That's a salad right there. This is the chicken over here. That's what I'm talking about, and that was pretty fast. It takes about 30 minutes and to cook and prep all this, as long as you got it on hand. Really simple but great dinner. All right, so I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking, sharing the videos, subscribe, hit that red button, and please share them. I would like you to share the videos when you watch. All right, share it with your friends and keep the love coming. And I guess I'll catch you in the next one.